Hey everybody, this is Greg from Greg Express Travels. This is not a travel video, this is a renovation video. Just want to give you a quick update that there's going to be a new floor going down, a new vanity and mirror, and then over here the walls are going to be painted, and the shower that's right here in the corner of the room is going to be replaced and enlarged. There's also a garden tub that will be staying here, just be cleaned up a little bit and do some caulking around the windows. And then there's a toilet here in this separate room that'll be replaced as well. But hey, this is just a quick 1 little minute video just to let you know that a renovation is about to take place, and I'll try to post a bunch of these little videos each day so you can see how the progress goes along. All right, let's start off. This is the day 1 demo going on. You can see quite a bit has been done already. Here is the sink top. The mirror is gone. If you remember, the mirror was right here in this white space on the wall. The whole vanity, of course, is gone. We're down to the plumbing now. Now, we're gonna make some changes here and make some easier knobs right down here to turn it on and off easier. And we've got the garden tub a little bit protected here with a drop cloth. I can see over here that his contractor has put some tools here inside the closet. And then over here is where the shower was. Remember this? That's completely gone now. So we'll be actually taking some time, and we're gonna be moving here's the old shower head right up here. It's gonna go on this wall right straight ahead. We're gonna move that. And then our drain plug, which is down here where this little towel is at, that's gonna be put in the center of the shower. And then you can kind of tell right back here where some of the tile's been moved, this is gonna be a bench. So the shower's actually gonna go in this direction now. And then, of course, like I said, here is the remainder of the sinks right here. And then we're gonna install a new bidet toilet right here in this room right here. So the old toilet has been removed. But this is day 1 of the demo. So I'll be filming each day a little bit just to let you guys know how long it takes to actually do one of these type of renovations. All right, see you on day 2. Welcome to day 3 of renovation work. You can see that most of the tile is all broken up here. That's the biggest part of doing the demo, is just getting up all the floor tile. The mirror, of course, is gone. The vanity is gone. Over here, we've got the the toilet, that's gone. Starting to work on all the tile up here. Get that all finished, knocked out tomorrow. But this is what it looks like after 3 days of demo. I turned the light on in the shower area so you can see kind of the walls. It just makes you think about those places that say they can redo a shower in 1 day, all they advertise on television. But hey, it's definitely taking a little bit longer than 1 day for sure. But anyway, I just wanted to bring this up to date for day 3. Hey, this is day 3 of the renovation, and this is a little bit different view. This is not the bathroom. This is just all the supplies that have been coming in, and I've been storing them in my garage. So one thing you want to do about your renovation is make sure you have a storage spot, because you're going to start getting lots of tile to pick up. Your contractor's going to need room for equipment. He's got wood here, a saw, many other things, and it just takes up a lot of space. So be prepared to have a lot of room here. Fortunately, my garage is a 2-car garage, so I've got room for a lot of the material that the contractor has dropped off. But wow, I can't imagine having this upstairs in the bedroom near the bathroom that's being renovated, because there's a lot of stuff here. And what we've done is we've got the tile and we've laid out the floor. This will be the floor of the shower, the way the design looks here. So it looks pretty good right now, the way we have it there. But this is basic, just a little snapshot of what the floor of the shower is gonna look like. And then let me take you over here to show you what the wall's gonna look like. So we're gonna go up 4 feet with this gray tile. Then we're gonna have a small section of subway tile. And then the top of the shower, we're gonna have this nice looking tile, designer tile right there. So this is how the final outlook is gonna look like, we hope. But hey, I just wanted to break away from all the demo work and just show you all this stuff. This box here is actually the countertop to the vanity. The vanity itself has not arrived yet. Again, when you're doing a renovation, you wanna make sure that a lot of these things you order, it's gonna take a while to get delivered. So just be prepared to have a space for storage, and also be prepared to wait for deliveries for your contractor. All right, see you on the next day. This is the end of week 1 for our bathroom renovation. So you can see when you prepare to do a master bathroom renovation that you need to allow yourself plenty of time for demo. We've demoed all week. You can see what's here. You might hear the exhaust fan there from the shower, but we started to lay down some tile to get an idea for the floor for the shower. The shower is gonna go right here. And like I said previously, we're gonna move the shower head from over here to the center of the room. And then of course the new vanity's coming. The old vanity was 65 inches. The new vanity, they don't really make those anymore, so the new vanity is gonna be 60 inches, which shouldn't be a problem. But just look at all the tile work that was done just to be scraping away at this tile. Still just chipping away and getting all that up. Wow, it's really heavy on there. And then of course the new toilet will go in here in this other room. But hey, that's the end of the first week of demo and part of this renovation. So I'll post another video once we're done with week 2.